What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a quick tutorial to show you how you can quickly and easily count the number of numeric values that are in a range of cells, but while ignoring error values such as divided by zero error and the not found error, or the hashtag NA error, by using the aggregate function. So to do this, equals aggregate, and then you can do tab to finish a function, open the parentheses. The first argument is a number that corresponds to what you want to calculate. So for this example, I want to use count. As a side note, the count versus the count a function. So the count function counts the number of cells with a numeric value within the cell, and the count a calculates the number of cells that have a value in them. So for example, count will include 107, 172, but it won't consider the word cool, and count a will consider these numbers and the word cool. So we're going to do 2 for count, and comma is what we want to ignore. So in this situation, we want to ignore error values, so we're going to do 6, and then comma again, and then the array is the range of cells that we want to find the count of. So I'm going to do that, and then the last argument it's k. It's in brackets though, so because it's in brackets, it's optional, and we don't need it for this function to work in this situation. So we're going to do close parentheses, and then there you go. There you have it. There's the number of numeric values in that range of cells. So I'm going to do Control C and then Control V. And as you can see, this didn't include cool, and this did include the number 11, and which is why there's some differences there. Also for the error values, and I guess just to show you how it would be different with the count a function, so 3 instead of 2. This is how it would be different with the count a function. As you can see, there's a 3 instead of a 2. If we choose the count a as opposed to the count function. So with that being said, I hope that you found this quick tutorial to be of some use. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me try to support the channel. If you did, and let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, suggestions, or future ideas. Thank you so much. Have a great day.